Hi, good morning. This is Jessica Katarig. Nandito ako ngayon sa malapit sa Quirino Grandstand kasi I'm about to take my morning run. Sana maka 5K ako. Ang way ko papuntang Rojas Boulevard, but before I do that, let me share with you first a valuable information on internet marketing. Share ko sa inyo, before I do that, ayan, pakita ko muna yung mga nasa likod ko, tumatakbo sila. Hindi nakita dito yung rowing team. Anyway, ang i-share ko sa inyo ngayon is yung mga common mistakes na nakocommit ng mga internet marketer even after they have provided already valuable information to their leads or to their viewers or to their prospects. Kasi alam naman na natin lahat yon na we need to provide value, di ba? But then again, may mga instances na wala pa ring results. So, these are the common mistakes identified na nakocommit ng mga internet marketers. Number one is, even after giving valuable information, value or solution to their leads, ang nangyayari they're afraid to sell to their leads nila. So that's one, kasi baka isipin nila na baka yun nga binibentahan lang nila yung mga leads nila. Yun yung wrong belief na yun. And second is they don't tell their leads to buy from them or to join their team. Ayan, naririnig nyo yung chanting ng rowing team natin. Anyway, so that's the second one. Again, nahiya silang sabihin join kayo, baka iisipin kasi baka ma-turn off, isipin ng leads nila nagpipitch lang sila. So that's the second mistake. Na third mistake is they don't provide specific call to action. Let's face it, lahat ng tao kailangan natin bigyan ng specific instructions, otherwise wala talagang gagawin yon. So kung hindi mo sasabihin na watch the video or join or register to this link or share or comment or leave or like the post, pag wala kang specific action talaga, wala ring gagawin ang leads mo. So given fact yun na minsan nga kahit may instruction, pag vague, hindi nasusunod. So you have to provide specific instructions. So the fourth is yung mga internet marketers, they don't talk to their leads or they don't talk to their leads. Let's not forget na yung leads natin mga tao din yan. So they require, kahit hindi man niya sabihin, they require communication para naman maipakita mo na real ka, totoong tao ka. So you need to communicate with them, talk to them pag may questions, pag may inquiries, i-entertain mo, and you can also talk to them or communicate with them via yung pagpo-post lang ng mga personal post mo sa Facebook account mo, sa Twitter, sa Instagram. Importante yun na may mga personal touches ka kasi again, tao sila, so hindi mabobore yan sila pag puro ka na lang pitch or puro ka na lang about business. So talk to them. Okay, so that's all. I hope you learned something, and if you want to learn more, like for instance, if you want to learn how to sponsor more leads, at least 2 leads in a day, welcome ka mag-register sa webinar namin. Free naman yun. It is conducted weekly every Monday at 9 p.m. Open yun sa lahat ng interesado, kahit hindi pa members ng team namin. So nasa link ang registration ang webinar link, nasa baba ang webinar link ng team namin. So just click on it and register. Don't pass this chance para may matutunan ka pang marami. And again, don't forget to like, share, or leave a message. Leave a comment sa baba din ng vlog na to. Okay? Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye!